and welcome back. I am so sorry I've been MIA here for a few video uploads. It's been like a week since I last posted. I'm so sorry. I ended up having a little stretched lobe repair here on Monday. So I've been out of commission for a few days just focusing on healing. It was a really interesting process. I won't go into too much detail about it now because I did do a full vlog of the entire experience, the before, the after, oh, and of course the during, where they cut it open, slice things away. So that video is actually going to be coming next week. I have my appointment where they are gonna take out the stitches, and that is going to be the last like check-in with you guys, so you can see everything up until that point, and then I'll upload that video probably next Friday, and I'll give you guys all the juicy deets about what happened with my ears and whatnot. But I just want to mention that since you are gonna see the band-aids here on my ear and wondering, you know, what's up, Nessa? Also, why haven't you posted? That's why. So I thought to get back in the swing of things, I would do a classic lip swatch video. I just got my hands on the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blooded Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick set. This collection I have been the most excited about. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since I've been really hyped about a collection. It just drew me in. I mean, the palette itself is coffin. It screams to me. And I love that Jeffree decided to do a blue lip collection with it. I mean, you don't see that often. Usually it's all about the nudes, the berry tones, the red tones. Sometimes there's some crazy colors sprinkled into some collections, but not a full-on little collection. So I just love how he does everything so different. I will also be doing a video on the Blue Blood palette that is going to be coming in a day or two, depending on when I'm able to get it uploaded and recorded, of course. But in that video, I was just thinking I would use some of these liquid lipsticks as liners because Jeffree's formula is both lip and eye safe. So I thought I would show you guys two different ways to wear the product. So this is going to be the lips. Next video will be the eyes. But anyway, let's get into talking about this little bundle here. So this little bundle does retail for $52. There is 8 liquid lipsticks, 6 of which are existing bestsellers and 2 are new shades, the Ice Tray and Titanic. Which, just to show you guys, it's these two. So it's that shade over here called Ice Tray, this one over here called Titanic. Those ones are new, the other ones are existing colors. Oh man, did I already get fingerprints on the inside? Damn it. Such a cute little box too. I love the packaging. All the details in this. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna zoom you closer and we can get into swatching. Woo! So nice and close. We're gonna begin with the first one called Drug Lord. Oh, it's so cute and small. Look at that little baby one. Second layer. Here is Drug Lord. This looks honestly crazy on me, but this is one of his #1 bestsellers. I have seen a lot of drag queens use this for the under eyes, and I have also seen this being used as a liner, either on its own or something as a really beautiful base to pack on, say, an eyeshadow on top to create it into a liner. So this one I was really excited for to use as a liner. I would not really see myself wearing this as a liquid lip on its own because it looks a little bit interesting on me, but maybe as like a mixer with another color. I do a little ombre effect, put a little bit of Drug Lord in the center too and tap it out. I could see that being a really cool little concoction to do. So here's the first one. I don't think I've ever seen anyone wear white lipstick though. Now let's jump into a new shade, which is called Ice Tray. Ooh, I like this one. Which, by the way, guys, I did forget to show you that I swatched out Drug Lord here. So there's, of course, Drug Lord and Ice Tray. I'm gonna keep swatching them out on my hand as I go along, just so you guys can see them here too in a comparison for all of the 8 shades. But this is actually a really fun shade. This one's a lot more opaque too, so I was able to get an even application with just one layer, unlike Drug Lord where I went in with two and was still a little bit like me about it, but this one's really nice. Then let's move on to Jawbreaker. Ooh, this is like a baby blue. And here, third is Jawbreaker. And here's a little switchety swatch of it too, so keep it on going. Next, let's dive into Blue Velvet. Ooh, this is gonna be a dark color. Wow. This one has a scent, oh my gosh. It smells like a candy to me. Is it licorice? I don't know why, this one smells so much like licorice. I haven't really kept up on all of the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipsticks. I know some of them are scented. I'm just unsure which one is, so if this one is, let me know down below because that's exactly what it smells like to me. Black licorice. Wow, this is a really fun color for if you want to do something vampy during the fall time, but you want to switch it up from that traditional purple vamp color. I think this dark blue could be a little bit enticing. I could see myself wearing this, definitely. And here's a little swatch of it too. I really like this one. I think this one is my favorite so far. Fifth up, we have the shade Abused, which looks like another deep color. This is like a super dark blue shade. This one also has that same kind of licorice smell to me. Ooh, ignore the jagged lip line. But this is another cool color. It's verging on like a blue-black in a sense. Because here's the dark blue that I had just tried on before that one, and then here's the, what is it called? Abused. So you can see it goes a lot darker, still a dark blue, but more of like a black blue, if that makes sense. I don't know, I kind of dig it. Sixth up is Medusa, which looks like a really cute, almost lilac color to me. Ooh, that's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of a My Little Pony moment. Am I the only one? This would be gorgeous as a liner. And of course, here's a little hand swatch of it. Ooh, getting down to it. Last two. Next up is Titanic, which is one of the other new shades. Ooh, this looks like the blue chrome that Jeffree made a little handheld star mirror of. That's what that reminds me, this reminds me of. I feel like my lip line is just getting shittier and shittier, but this is a really pretty color. I like the subtle hint of the kind of chromed look in a way. Oh, and update on hand swatches. It's all the way over here. Now let's move on to the last one called Medusa. This shade already looks more like a gray. Do I have a gray? Hold on. Oh yeah, it kind of reminds me of this shade right here, which is, this is the shade Gargoyle, which is the little bullet lipstick. On the end here is Medusa, which is more of a darker gray. Up here is Gargoyle, so this one is a lighter gray. I just thought of it right now. I was like, hold on. I have a lip color that's gray, not the same thing. All right, now that that's cleared up, let's continue the swatching. And then lastly, we have Medusa. And once more, here are the swatches side by side in case you want to see how they compare to each other. But that was the last shade, and I have to say this was a really fun little bundle. Not everyone is gonna look at this and be like, oh my god, I need it. It is a very select little collection. I think it is really fun though if you have been wanting to experiment and maybe you want to pick up a few different colors, see which one you like, and you don't want to spend the full $18 on a full size of the liquid lipsticks. This is a really cool one to be able to try things out, because also with these more fun colors, I don't think you'll ever really go through an entire tube of that color. I think these small ones will do just fine. I am all about experimenting with colors. I like to do do things that are more fun. I mean, makeup comes off at the end of the night. Have fun with it. Don't care what anyone thinks. I have gone out to the mall in bright ass green lipstick because I'm awesome, so. So I am definitely very happy with this cool little blue-blooded collection. Keep a lookout for my video that is gonna be on the blue-blooded palette. I will be using these once more, but maybe one or two as liners so we can see how they look like that. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!